Josie, you gonna cruise around the table? Look at you. Look at you walking. You know how to get around the table, huh? No, don't get Daddy's water. Oops.
Move Dad's feet. There she goes. She stepped on my foot. You want some water?
Look at that. Got a little more fuel. A little more fuel to get around the table now.
Yeah, look at you.
You have 3 bows on today for Mommy's birthday. Because you're my gift that keeps on giving.
What are you doing, baby? You're squishing your finger. Yeah, that's what
Oh. You figured it out on your own this time, though. You're getting so big.
What's in your toy box? You want to show me your toy? No? Go get Taz. Get Taz. Get Taz.
You
Are
waving.
you waving at Taz? Get Taz.
Hi, Taz.
Hi, Taz.
Hi, Taz.
Go get Taz. Go get Taz. You gonna kiss Taz on the nose? Oh, how sweet. How sweet. You gonna kiss Taz some more? Now you're gonna run Taz off. Okay.
Taz is enough. Aww. Josie. You gonna get up on your own? Now you're gonna go chase Taz? You gonna go get Taz? Oh, he's walking away again. Hi. And now are you after Zoe?
You coming to see me?
Look at that. Oh, you're almost transferring from the couch to the table.
Blanket. Blanket.
Look at her hair. So cute, the back of it. Oh, you gonna get the table? Good girl.
You can get it.
You can
You've
do
done it before.
it. Look at that.
There you go.
Good
You're making the
job.
circles. Good
Good
job,
job. Water.
Baby. Slobber.
Little spot of water. Yeah.
Spit.
Yours or Taz's?
Josie.
Oh, we're going back. Going
Go-
back.
go-
to-
go
you
chase
want?
Taz.
You want his tail now?
Go chase Taz. I didn't say yell at him. Chase him.
Or pull his tail? You like his tail?
Go chase Taz.
Oh, you gonna get in bed with Taz? He likes that.
Lay on Taz.
You lay on Taz. What do you think, Taz?
Be nice, Taz.
Be nice.
Josie.
Josie. Josie. What are you sticking that tongue out for? Oh, there comes Zoe, too. You're gonna get Zoe? You gonna get Zoe, too? Be nice to Taz. Nice. Oh.
She's crawling over to the stereo. Josie.
Josie. You want to get the doors? Yeah, you like that sound it makes? What's up there? What's up there that you want? Okay, you want to wave bye-bye? You're going away? Oh, you gotta go check the vacuum, see if the vacuum thing is there.
Still there. Knock it over. Knock it over.
You're gonna knock it over? You're making your rounds? There you go.
Okay.
You gonna play with it? It's no more interesting than it was yesterday, is it? No, don't eat it. Done with that? Okay, Josie, you want to wave bye-bye?
Wave bye-bye.
Josie. Josie.
Bye-bye.
Josie. Josie.
Wave bye-bye. Look at mommy and wave bye-bye.
Say wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. No?
Not ready to go yet.
You have something else fun you're going to do?
Ah, there she goes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good
Bye-bye.
job. Good job.